Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a video I do not want to make at all because I hate negative videos about technology, but something happened recently, so I need to discuss it on this channel. One of my favorite tech products, the Galaxy Buds Plus. I've raved about these so many times on this channel. I love them. The battery life's great. The wireless charging's great. Sound quality's great. The fit in my ear was great. That's like the main reason I kept talking about them. Guys, these headphones or earbuds, whatever, have one feature that's lacking, I should say, that's like killed these earbuds for me. Like literally killed them. Like I haven't, well, killed one of them at least. So I don't have the tips on them right here, but here are the earbuds themselves. Here is the case. There's nothing wrong with the case. It still is fine. And here are like the little silicone tips you attach to the buds themselves. So you may be asking, like, what's wrong with these? Before that, make sure to subscribe and like this video and share it with your best friend and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. But anyway, the problem with these. So, like, I develop, like, obviously everyone develops, like, earwax, and then, obviously, they're in-ear style earbuds. So these silicone tips are going in your ears, and it's, like, slowly going to, like, build up some earwax in here, and you clean it out every once in a while because it can affect audio quality sometimes. So I took them out and I rinsed them under some water and stuff, and I cleaned them out, got them all like fresh and new. And then on the tip here, there was also some like residual stuff, so I scraped that off. Everything was good. I let these dry for a little. Obviously, I'm not going to put them on the earbud when they're soaking wet, so I waited a little, and then I put them back on, and they had like the tiniest amount of moisture still on them, like very, very small amount of moisture. So I put them on, and then I go to the gym. I do my normal thing. I'm working out, whatever. Put them in, and they go really quiet. And this has happened in the past when I've gotten water on these things. They go really quiet, and I'm like, okay, like I've seen this before. Like, this is nothing new, so I just have to wait for them to like dry a little more, right? The silicone tips are probably a little moist, and it's altering the audio quality. Whatever, just wait for them to dry. Usually it'll take like 1 day or so. So wait the 1 day. Next day, same exact thing. Still, audio quality is not good. The second day, it improves a little. Like the right one starts working, but the left one is still like really, really faint. The audio's completely thrown off. Like this one's probably like 50% louder than the left one. And I know it's backwards for the viewers out there, but like one is completely louder than the other, and it's like, what is going on? Like, why is this still happening? Like, this should have been dry by now if there's any residual moisture left over. My theory is there might have been like a tiny, tiny amount of water that got into the left earbud, and because these are not water resistant, technically they're not water resistant. Samsung doesn't advertise any water resistance, only the Buds Plus. Are they like IPX8 or something, IPX7? IPX67, I don't know. But they're not advertised as water resistant. I mean, clearly. And the left one, I'm still waiting for it to dry. Like, it's been 3 days now. So maybe there's some moisture in here still affecting the audio quality. But it's still extremely quiet, and it's unbearable, basically, to listen to music while doing anything, to be honest. Like, if the noise is not balanced between the two, like, you're going to get a headache, and I definitely can attest to that. So, yeah, these earbuds, they're just, like, kaput. They're, like, just dead. Well, one of them's, like, sort of dead. So, I'm going to keep waiting. These are my favorite pair of earbuds. I'm going to keep waiting it out, see if they just, like, magically start working again. That's what's happened in the past, and I'll update you guys in the future. But Samsung, man, like, when you said these aren't water resistant, you were not kidding. Like, this could have happened if you go running in the rain with these. And I have actually gone running in the rain with these, but yeah, if those silicone tips get like any sort of like moisture on them or get wet, it's going to seep into like this part of the earbud, like the little silver part right here. It's going to seep into there. It's going to get into all the electronics, and it's going to make the audio so distorted and super quiet. So, yeah, that's my spiel for this. That's like the biggest issue with the Galaxy Buds Plus. I'm hoping it resolves itself like it has in the past. But the newer earbuds obviously are water resistant. I don't want to take away from the newer earbuds that Samsung has come out with because they are 100% water resistant. And yeah, it's just so disappointing that these can be impacted that much. But if you guys like this video, if you thought it was entertaining, if you thought it was educational in some way, hopefully I can help out with buying decisions. I know this is really tough because they're so good, but they're lacking in this one area that I didn't really talk about when I reviewed these, actually. It's kind of funny how that happens with tech. You don't fully understand it until you used it for a really, really long time. So that's why you don't trust tech reviewers who review stuff like when they've had the device for a single day. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate all the viewers on here. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I will see everyone on the next video on the channel. Peace out.